guys, excuse the long background. Today
Hi
I'm
guys,
doing
I'm
a
sorry, I don't know
tutorial
how my
on
voice got
how
so
to
muffled,
make
but what I'm
Belgian
saying at
waffles.
this
So we're going
point
to be
is
using
I'm gonna attempt to make chicken and not attempt, I'm actually gonna make chicken and waffles using my Bella Belgian waffle maker. I have Aunt your Mama,
but I'm
a
using my
complete
Bella
pancake
Belgian
mix,
waffle
added a
maker.
little
To follow the
virgin olive oil
steps.
inside of it, water, and
I'm gonna make
stirred
some
it.
chicken
And I'm
later,
also gonna make
but
chicken
I'll
as
be
well.
back. And the key to show you this is the golden brown fried chicken that I put in and this is the most important part. I'm about to pour the batter into the now appearing to be ready setting of the Belgian waffle maker out. Be very careful because it's extremely hot, but this is a very good waffle iron to use. I'll be back once it's poured into it and we're waiting on it to get done. This is the waffle once it's poured into it. I did kind of put a little bit too much, but luckily this is the tilting one. I'll show you in a second what I mean. I'm going to close the top down and flip it. Okay, like that side. Flip it. It's going to appear ready once the actual waffle is ready. So I'll be back in a few. Alright, I'm back and we're going to flip it over because it appears to be ready. Lift it up. Yes, look at the top of it. So sometimes this is what I do, but be very careful. We're going to put it over to the plate. I'm going to take a picture of it once it's done. And I have the plating of the chicken and waffles and show you how it looks once it's done. See our waffle maker extremely clean. Still have a little bit of batter left to make more if need be. This is our chicken about to go in the batter. This is the chicken that's already done. And we're all done.